In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect folders on your Mac. In this demonstration, we're going to use this basic folder here with a text document inside. However, it can have anything inside the folder. So what you want to do is you want to bring up the Finder window here and then come onto the left here and click Application and then come down to Utilities. Then on the Utilities, you want Disk Utility. You can also find this from the Launchpad and then come up to Other and Disk Utility. Now we have this utility up, you want to come up to File, New Image, and Image from Folder. So first you want to locate your folder that you want to lock. From the drop down here, we have ours on the desktop. So you select the folder and then click Choose. So now you can change the folder name. So we could change this to Secret Folder. And then you want to select here where you want to save it. We'll select the desktop. Then you want to select the encryption. 128-bit is the best one. Now you'll need to enter a passcode, then select Choose. Now you want to click Image Format and you want to select either Read Only. This means that you can only read or view the files within the folder. However, if you want to change anything or save extra files in the folder, you want Read and Write. So we'll select Read and Write. And with that selected, you want to click Save. And now it will start to create the locked folder. This may take a few seconds. And once it's done, you want to simply click Done. And we can X this away. As you can see on the desktop, the original secret folder is still there. And you can still access this folder. So what you'll want to do is delete this from your Mac. And here is the locked folder as a DMG file. And when you double click it, you'll need to enter a password. So we'll enter the password. And as you can see, this disk then opens up here. So you can double click it and access your folder. You can open up the text file, and also if you want to add to the folder, you can drag this image into it, and you can even edit the text file. So we'll save that, and as you can see, it's been saved. So if we close the folder, what you want to do is right click on the folder and select Eject. This will then relock the folder. So we reopen the folder. As you can see, within the folder, now we have the image and the edited text document. Again, don't forget, right click and eject, otherwise people will still be able to get access to this folder. You can also access the folder when you open it up by bringing up any Finder window. As you can see it here on the left hand side, you'll be able to access the folder from any Finder. If you don't see it on the left hand side here, you'll be able to come up to Finder in the top left hand corner here and down to Preferences. And you want to make sure External Disk is ticked. As you can see, unticking it takes it out of the left hand side, and reticking it adds it back to the left hand side of the Finder window. Also, to lock the folder is much easier from a Finder window. You simply click this little button here and this will auto lock the folder. And that is how to create a password protected folder on your Mac. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.